Let's do this dirty laundry, this dirty laundry. Let's do this dirty laundry, this dirty laundry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here, and to all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm glad that you subscribed to me. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial inspired by Rowland's new hit single Dirty Laundry, and it's basically a neutral face. Everything is kind of nude. The eyes are very basic, just a little bit of definition with brown eyeshadow in the crease, and a plum lip. It's supposed to be more matte than this, but you guys get the idea. So I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to me if you're not already subscribed. Like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my weekly fashion review that I do every Friday on my channel. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah. Oh, by the way, don't forget to check out my eyebrow tutorial right here. So I'll see you guys in the next video.